Good day, welcome to Mosiness Design. In the continuation of our more semi-detached duplex that we are working on, in the last episode, we were able to create the elevation and add materials and develop every other thing and change with the flower first and talk about the flowers. As if you mirror, these are the things that will happen to when you mirror a flower, which is not good for rendering or elevation value. So in this particular project now, we want to talk about how to add light to the environment. So if you see the original content that the picture effect that we brought, we see the light around this ceiling area. So I won't like to go there again because of the copyright issue from the owner. So I just want to work basically of what the imaginations have been, and let us do the quickly reform to that. So if you have never subscribed to our channel, kindly do this, subscribe now, at the same time like. So if you are doubting how to become a member, you can become a member on our channel because there are some tutorial now that is mainly for membership that are coming. So I'm going to be releasing that subsequent one as anytime from next week. So if you are not a member yet, kindly be a member of the channel and continue to pay. It's YouTube that regulate that. So let's go to the order of the day. So if you want to bring lights to a structure like this, how do you do that? So let's just go and check the components, and see whether we have any ceiling lights or any kind of lights that are available here. If you don't have any one, so just go and borrow. So where did you do that? So if you don't, you should be able to have a library. So like mine, just click on components. I say load family. So I don't have them in this because I have a very old library that I used to do for my tutorial. So I will just like go to matrix library. So the matrix library here did not contain such. That's where it's supposed to have been, and copy it here, but I'm not having it there. So I do get that. I'll go to my desktop and I'll go to matrix, just please. So this is matrix library that I have here. So electrical fixture is the lighting aspect. That's okay, they have light, they have bulb and every other thing. So this is not where, if you are doing electrical drawing, you can use most of these to as annotation. But where we are going to now is that lighting and fixture is where we are getting all those things. So we want to use most of this most of these elements to do our major work. So exterior, come to exterior, you see the exterior aspect, street light and things like that. So if you need some, just holler, and the possibility of getting to, if you're a member, is available. So it's only membership person that's a member that can have access to this from my channel. So let me say I click on this ceiling, round ceiling now. So you can imagine how ages it was. So these are the earlier things that we do with Revit. The reason why you see the earlier now, when you go to ceiling level and you want to place anything, it's not going. Now let's say components, it comes but it's not attaching. The reason was that there is no ceiling where it's going to attach itself to. But if they have a ceiling, it's going to be more easy for it to be attached. So what I'm saying is this: let me go to level 4. I think that is where I need to go and get these things right. So but before then, let me just do one quick the things so that to make the work more easy. So click on ceiling and say if you have a room demarcated completely, you can use what automatic. But if you don't have any, if you have some kind of area that are open, use sketch. So the same thing is going to give you sketch here now. Leave this offset, and later you can adjust this one at your own level. So what I want to do is that I want to draw this one, and I will draw it around. So that is one. It doesn't matter, I will still adjust them to fix what I need to fix. So I'll just name that for a quick sample. So click here. So what you do now, you decide to delete what is not needed. I'm deleting this one. Then I'll fix so that I will have a single line around 2. So for everything I want to do. So this is it. So I'm going to go to start elevation before I click finish. When I click finish now, you see this particular one. So it's supposed to align, attach to this one. So that's what I want to do. I'll just click in and say attach. So now I need to delete them so that we follow the same coping level of that roof, so that before I do edit and say edit the boundary, go to sets where I'm going to see all those things completely. So I will just like align everything here, align everything, then I do align here too. So as you have done with this one, you can like, if you have any issue that you have, continue with it. If you don't have any issue, just like click finish. So click finish here now. So when you go to 3D, you see what you have created. This is it. So now how will it happen? Can you now attach your, so let us do that quick. So click on components and go to level 5. Ceiling 5. So we go to ceiling or level 4 ceiling, depends on, I think this is the ceiling. So click on components and then attach this. Can you see? So this is the round ceiling. It will attach itself because it has already see a component to be used. So you do that, you do this, and then you do this like this. So you can like as many as possible, so that putting this one here too. So what will I do now? You can go to 3D and see how far. So you can see that those lighting are now available at the ceiling part. So you just need to select now, go to start elevation, select all instances at this level, so you'll be able to mirror them. Select all instances, so and you just say mirror. So mirror as we always have it, and you stick to it. So that is how you select mirror and create ceiling light on that one. You can as well add those ceiling light to this one, but I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use wall lighting for this one. So how will I do that? Click on component. So go to model in play, load family. So it's still under the lighting matter. So you move around until you get the desired lighting as you want. So these are wall cylinder. I don't like that wall cylinder. These are the table lamp, different kind of these are the interior one that you can use. So like I'm using this one as interior something. So just like let me go and lighting feature. I want to use exterior now, so I don't have this as interior for me, so I'm going to use the one that are available. So let me use this wall lamp for outside. So click open. So it's loading the way the former one is done. So just like can cost clip this one, and because you are using wall, they are going to stick to that point. So you can just see. So you put some here too, and then you bring some here. You can switch to outside, and then bring to outside. So that is how you fix lights in major of your design procedure. So when you do it on 3D, you are going to see the benefit of those things. So when you do the rendering now, those lightings are going to come out. So most of those things we are going to talk about and design them to the benefit of our idea. So that is what we do. That is how you focus your attention. So now you may say you want to put the same kind of light at this to this point. So how would it be? So it's not going to be easy if you do not have ceiling. So I've said it before. Let us try that and let's see whether it will work or not. So say create. So can you see that it's not working? The reason that there is no ceiling in that particular. So let us create ceiling and come back here and come and do this. So I will say copy. I want to use that ceiling. I not to create anything again. Those are the quick method of doing design. So just say copy from here. Then from here now you bring this one and put it to the attachment below. So go to west. So what do you have here? So the west has already been helped to indicate that, so you can shift it a little bit to this position. So when you are looking at it from here, is it making the whole sense for you? So it's definitely making the whole sense. So edit this, and then you say go to this place, because we only want this area alone to be furnished with what we have done. So what will I do? I will just like select this one, delete all. So I will like draw this line, or just delete everything. Still the same preference, the same plane reference is there. Just click your new rectangle and you say click finish. So when you go to there or edit it, so that you have it into, instead of you to be mirroring them again, so just like mirror it from the so click finish now. So you have that. So go to 3D, is there already. So you click this one and say duplicate. So the moment you are moving around there, you're going to see, if you are not there, it's not going to give. So you see it's searching for validation somewhere. Yes, so just like click there. Good. Come here as well, or you mirror it so that you have the similar stuff. So go back there, see it here now, it's already here. So what do you do now? Just like mirror it, and you've learned the whole process of adding lights to any kind of building. So that is how you add light. So if you want to do the interior aspect, you do that. So how do you do the interior aspect? You just go there, go to ceiling level 2 for the stick. You can click on ceiling. You must know the height of your, the offset height of the frame that you are using. So I'm going to use 2900. So I'm not going to use sketch. I like fixing because I want to carry everything at once. But if you want to do them individually, you can just like doing fixing, click here, click like that, click. It will be stable and be sticking to it. But for me, if you want to do the sketch, I'll just prefer the sketch. Draw everything at once. Like this, since the whole house is rectangular, so when you go to annotation, I will know what to be doing to the remaining area. So I will like know how to adjust them for the manipulative use of my own activity. So I've done with that one now. So what will I just do? So delete this one as well, and then mirror this. So you still maintain the same thing with everybody. So that is what you do. So now you just click on components. So as you are putting it in there, it's telling you that it's ready to snap. So for the interior now, always go by snapping. For the outside, like this one now is not there because of you did not create external one. So we are all there, we are all there, and we are here. So you can just like, let us quickly go to section on this one. So you go to section, so you can see. So that is it. So you can move this one and bring it down. Depends on your choice, the way you want to do it. So by the time we are doing the trusses, we are going to explain more details about this. So this is how the section of the building looks like. If you have not seen the section, the tutorial are there on so how to create the staircase. So the section, we are going to do the detailing and every other thing. So you can see the beauty of the staircase, the aspect of it. So thanks for watching. These are the 3D design that we are working on, we have been doing so far, and we expect that you will be able to learn more of this thing for your own benefits. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you in the next tutorial.